and that will be your final answer. Does everyone get addition and subtraction?
You have enough time to write it down?
Everyone's good? Okay. All right. And you can do that the exact same way on your calculator. Do you want us to show you how to do it on your calculator, or do you guys think you got it? Okay. Now, this is where it gets a little complicated, is when it gets to multiplication. And I'm going to start out by showing you in letters. Miss Schaben, is there a way to, can I just go like this to get to a blank page? Okay.
Put it before this one?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Alright, so when we did our experimental teaching, people asked us to show you with letters first, so that you can see where it's at instead of numbers, because numbers get confusing. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so we're going to do A, B, C, and D, all in different colors. And then E, oops, can you guys see the yellow all right? Yeah. Okay. And F. Alright, now when you multiply these, you multiply by rows and then columns. So for here, you have, for the first answer, you will have A times E plus, or minus, this is plus B times F. Does that make sense? So this number will go with this number, and this number will go with this number. So it's over and down. And then for this one, it's the same spot, so here would be C times E plus D times F. And that will give you your final matrix for multiplication. So how I remember it, I don't know if it helps you at all. Left numbers, so A and C, go with the top number in this matrix. Right numbers go with the bottom number. Does that make sense? And that goes for everything. So let's say that there was another row here. Let's say there was an H and an I or something like that. The A would go with that H and I, and the B would go, the A would go with the H, and so would the C, and the B would go with the I, and so would the D. So no matter how many rows it is, it's always the left numbers go with the top numbers, and the right numbers go with the bottom.
And multiplication can only work if the number of columns is the same as the number of rows. Does that make sense? Otherwise, it's just
It's
Can you think of one that won't work for us?
yeah. Do you want numbers or letters?
What do you guys think, numbers or letters? One that won't work. Either way?
Numbers.
Yeah, put numbers in it.
It's just
Or one that doesn't work. Then why won't that one work?
because that one has no extra number.
That makes sense to everybody? Good job.
and I'm going addition and subtraction for a minute. That only works if the brackets are the same size. So if you have a 2 by 2 plus a 2 by 2, it won't work if it's a 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 2.
And the nice thing is the calculator will tell you that too.
Yeah.
It'll tell you that.
So if you ever like don't know if it's gonna work, like if you didn't know if that was undefined or not, plug it into your calculator and it's a nice check because it will tell you undefined. Or it will probably say error. I've never entered one in. Alright, so now we can try a few with numbers and then alright, so here's this one, and I'll let you modify that.